拜拜哥。啲商場。
大家好，歡迎嚟到第二屆朴燕暨第14屆文華藝術節頒獎典禮嘅記者招待會。Before we start our press conference today, may I introduce our guest of honor today? From my far right, we have Mr. Andrew Leung, Competition Chair of Mandarin Lines Art Festival. Then we have Lion Tech Chen, Festival Chair of Mandarin Lines Art Festival. Then, sitting beside Mr. Chen, we have representative of our title sponsor, Mr. Benny Lee, Associate Manager of Sun Life Financial. Sitting next to Benny, we have Lion Terrence Lam, President of Toronto Mandarin Lines Club. And sitting beside Terrence, we have Dr. Sydney Raymer, Vice President of Smile China Project. And last but not least, we have Lion Stephen Lam, Fundraising Director of the Festival and the Enchantment of Jedi 2007。加拿大咧一向咧好積極咁樣推行多元文化政策，因此咧吸引世界各地嘅人咧嚟移居加拿大嘅。咁當中包括移民加拿大數字榜首嘅中國人啦。咁中華民族咧係世界歷史最悠久嘅民族之一。咁喺5000年嘅歲月入邊咧，中華民族無論喺文化、藝術、科技各方面都有好大嘅成就。咁多倫多文華獅子會自1994年開始咧舉辦青少年中文學術比賽，即係而家嘅文華藝術節，令華人社區入邊嘅學生同埋成年人有機會喺語文、音樂同埋其他藝術上面互相切磋。同時亦都鼓勵各族裔嘅學生學習中國語文同埋各種藝術，促進中西文化嘅交流，發揚加拿大人引以為傲嘅多元文化精神。咁而今屆嘅文華藝術節咧，亦都接近尾聲啦。咁我哋不如請主辦機構多倫多文華獅子會嘅會長林明仁師兄同大家講兩句説話。有請 Terence。
各位嘉賓、各位新文化朋友，大家好。首先好多謝大家抽空出席第二屆朴燕暨及14屆文華藝術節頒獎典禮嘅記者招待會。第14屆文華藝術節大部分嘅比賽已經喺上個禮拜日圓滿結束，好多謝各界對我哋文華藝術節嘅支持，令到參加比賽人數一年比一年多。喺舊年，我哋特別為文華藝術節增設咗一個集頒獎典禮同埋籌款晚宴嘅盛會，第一屆嘅朴燕，為文華藝術節基金同埋移民資源中心籌得可觀嘅經費。今年我哋決定再接再厲，舉行第二屆朴燕，而有關第14屆文華藝術節嘅比賽結果同埋第二屆朴燕嘅詳情呢，稍後會由我哋嘅文華藝術節主席陳德仁師兄同埋我哋賽事主席 King Sir 梁向平先生同大家宣佈，多謝各位。
各位嘉賓，如果各位手上有呢一張簿嘅咧，首先要道歉，裏面有好多錯字。雖然呢個錯字唔關我事，但我都要負責。呢一屆嘅賽事嘅項目係主要包括中文、音樂、繪畫、舞蹈，涵蓋140項。其中舞蹈咧，我哋係再三嘅要將佢推遲，因為佢係同英國 Blackpool 嘅公開比賽同埋加拿大嘅公開舞蹈比賽係相撞嘅檔期，我哋改咗喺下個月10號正式係舉行嘅。 其餘嘅賽事已經洽談完畢㗎啦。咁啊，呢一屆報名嘅人次係超過2000人嘅，係比較舊年增加咗21%。其中增幅最緊要嘅就係音樂嘅項目，佢增長係50%。再其次喺中文項目裏邊係增長18%，而中文項目裏邊又以非華語項目，即係唔係講中文嘅外國細路仔參加中文朗誦比賽嘅，係增加咗係200%，咁就表示咗中文喺主流社會裏邊係備受重視嘅。咁至於朗誦項目裏邊，今年我哋啱啱係完咗嘅，新增嘅項目有看圖認字係低年班嘅，同埋看圖描述係屬於高年班。呢兩個新增嘅項目係應各學校嘅要求而設嘅。喺成績方面，今年嘅集中係非常之突出，足見各校嘅老師家長係用好多心機。第二，喺創新反兒歌，今年亦都非常之好嘅。咁因為經過3年嘅大家嘅慢慢嘅琢磨，已經知道呢個項目佢所需要嘅係好大嘅空間，係俾同學同埋老師無限嘅一種創意嘅。再其次就係喺書法方面，原子筆嘅成績今年係好好。作文今年冠軍嘅作文，評審團認為冠軍嘅作文係具備香港中5至中6嘅水平，因為評審團裏邊嘅3個評審團喺香港都係同呢個高級考試同埋會考有關嘅評審員嚟嘅。咁呢個唔係話我哋大會嘅值得驕傲嘅地方，呢個就係話係嗰個學生同埋個學生家長對佢不斷嘅鼓勵。再其次就係廣播劇，廣播劇係屬於創作劇。今年嘅廣播劇得獎嘅學校，無論喺劇本嘅編寫同埋同學嘅演出係無懈可擊嘅。咁以上所講嘅各種嘅成就，我哋無意喺自己面上貼金。希望各位如果係得閒嘅話，而亦都有心中文教育嘅推廣嘅話，喺6月10日去感受中華頒獎禮，你就可以睇到成績嘅一般嘅情況。大會亦都喺眾多嘅參與嘅項目嘅參賽者挑選，其中有3名係最具潛質獎嘅，就會係喺學宴，即係6月16日喺 Hilton 係參與演出。呢次除咗係籌款之外，好似往年一樣，佢都係一定有個主題嘅。今年就係為 Smile Thailand 而籌款嘅。咁以上各個項目，今年大概大致就係咁樣噶啦。至出年係點樣，我哋經過檢討之後，或者容或有增減嘅。多謝各位。
睇得唔係幾清楚，等我換翻個老花眼鏡。Mr. Lee、Dr. Ryman， 各位好朋友、各位嘉賓、各位新聞界嘅朋友，我尤其是我知道今朝你哋另外仲有一個 function 要去嘅，都好多謝你哋咁辛苦咁過嚟。大家好。頭先King Sir 咧都為我哋報導得好詳細，關於今年我哋呢個學術比賽同埋其他各項比賽嗰個進度。咁正如King Sir所講咧，我哋文華藝術節其實係有賴各界嘅人士鼎力支持， 先至可以令到呢個比賽嘅人數一年比一年攀升，而個比賽亦都可以得到順利進行。咁我喺呢度除咗要多謝各位家長、學生、教育團體，我更加要喺呢度特別多謝我哋嘅主題贊助永明明信理財集團，佢哋嘅贊助得以令到更多嘅青少年有參加比賽同埋發揮個人潛質嘅機會。今屆文華藝術節嘅比賽唔單止證明咗非華裔嘅小朋友對於學習我哋中文嘅興趣與日俱增之外呢，我哋更加可以見到我哋中國嘅語文喺海外大受重視嘅程度。其實呢啲都係熱心推廣中華文化人士喺咁多年嚟辛勞嘅成果。喺呢度，我真係要好衷心咁多謝佢哋同埋表揚佢哋。而我自己本人亦都相信喺來年嘅文華藝術節呢，將會更加大放異彩，繼續俾華人社區裏邊嘅小朋友，甚至乎成年人有更多個機會喺語文啦、音樂啦同埋其他藝術方面互相切磋，促進中西文化嘅交流，藉此發揚我哋加拿大引以為傲嘅多元文化精神。作為文華藝術節頒獎典禮一部分嘅第二屆撲宴，將會喺6月16號假造萬錦市希爾頓酒店 Hilton Suite 舉行。舉辦呢個撲宴嘅目的係希望藉住呢個晚上，俾一啲最優秀而有潛質嘅優勝者有一個表現嘅機會，促使佢哋喺中文同埋其他藝術上加倍努力。當晚嘅主禮嘉賓包括安省兒童及青少年部長 Marianne Chambers、MPP， 中華人民共和國駐多倫多總領事朱彤英女士，香港經濟處處長蘇謝良先生。我哋嘅特別表演嘉賓呢，就係國際著名年青華裔標準舞舞蹈家 Victor Fung。當晚撲宴嘅收入，除咗扣除所有嘅開支，所得嘅善款呢，就將會分別撥捐俾文華藝術節發展基金同埋微笑中國。喺各族裔人士係有更多參與中華文化同埋藝術表演嘅機會之餘呢，我哋亦可以為微笑中國籌一啲醫療嘅經費，俾好多喺中國境內好不幸患上先天唇顎炎而又冇錢醫治嘅小朋友，有更多嘅機會接受呢個矯形手術嘅機會。咁喺呢度，我再次呼籲各界嘅善長仁翁，希望佢哋大力支持，慷慨解囊，買多啲飛，購買我哋撲宴嘅餐券。多謝各位。
我哋有請永明明信理財集團嘅嘅經理李志輝先生同大家致辭。
On behalf of Sunlight Character Financial, to attend this press conference being held by Mandarin Line Club for this fundraiser. As a matter of fact, Sunlight Character is not the first time to attend this type of event held by Mandarin Line Club. We were the corporate table sponsor last year, but this year, after many meetings, many back and forth discussions, and in view of the fact that we have Mr. Joseph Wong and his team holding Smile China, helping the deformed limb children in China. And this is a very meaningful event. Ultimately, Sunlight Character Financial agreed to be the title sponsor. And I'm here sincerely wish Mandarin Line Club and Dr. Joseph Wong and his team to have a very successful fundraising event. 各位嘉賓，我謹代表永明明信理財集團參與今日嘅記者招待會。而呢個記者招待會咧係由文華獅子會安排嚟主辦嘅。咁喺呢個 fundraising 裏邊咧，咁其實咧永明同明信咧已經唔係第一次參與㗎啦。喺舊年咧，我哋係用 corporate table sponsor 參加，但係今年咧經過好多次我哋開會商討之下，亦都有黃家海醫生呢個微笑中國為呢個兔唇嘅小朋友免費喺大陸同我哋做呢啲手術。咁我哋咧就決意做呢個嘅主題贊助。咁我緊喺呢度咧，誠心祝福文華獅子會以及黃家海醫生可以有一個非常之成功嘅籌款運動。多謝各位。
Earlier, part of the proceeds of Enchantment of Jedi 2007 will go to Smile China Project. Now may I invite Dr. Sidney Reimer, Vice President of Smile China, to say a few words. Dr. Reimer, please.
Thank you so much for having me here today. I want to congratulate you too on such a wonderful idea. This art festival, I think, is testimony to the success and the appreciation of Chinese culture here in Canada, and I'm glad to see that there are some non-Chinese people who are participating. I'm sorry I don't speak any Chinese, I'll do it all in English.
I'll be your translator.
Oh, well, thank you. Smile China was founded by Dr. Joseph Wong about 6 years ago, and he has conducted 6 missions overseas to China. The whole objective of the project is to treat children with facial deformities who are poor and are not able to actually afford or the surgery just isn't available to them. And what he has done is created something that's a little distinct from other charities that go over and do the kind of work that you may have heard of. Some of them will provide money, some of them will go over and do some of the basic surgery. But what Dr. Wong has done is unique. He takes over a very high caliber team of surgeons, and because of their notoriety and their experience, he's able to do 2 things. One is to treat the children with the most difficult cases. And so those are children who sometimes have actually been turned down by other doctors in the area. And the other thing too is they work cooperatively with local surgeons so that they actually share the techniques and experiences, and they're sharing the skills that they have. Some of these doctors have written books and have designed their own techniques, and actually they have their world known. And they're all either current or past presidents of their plastic surgery organizations. They're all from Canada and from the United States. So what Dr. Wong has really done is he's improved the caliber of the surgery in China at a time where things are growing very rapidly, and this is being embraced and welcomed very much. And it's just been a hugely successful program, and I just think it's a wonderful thing to be part of. I just want to speak very quickly too about the donation and how grateful we are about that, and just to let you know how efficient the money does get used. Just to give you an idea, for every dollar that does go out there, most of it is used for the care of the child in the hospital. The surgeries are done by all the doctors are free, and all the supplies are provided to us, or much of the supplies are provided to us through other donations. Most of the doctors and other staff are self-funded. And once over in China, there was a team of over 150 Chinese people, volunteers, also working in helping prepare and select the patients, as well as doing surgeries. Some of them are assistant surgeons, learning the techniques, anesthesiologists, and OR nurses, and then follow-up care with the patients. So what is collected from this end goes a very, very long way. The last mission treated 100 children 400 has shown up for it, all meeting the criteria. We're so happy to be able to treat 100. We're a little sad there's 300 left behind. We hope to be able to go back and do them next time. When you consider that there's 30,000 new cases every year, you can see why teaching people and sharing the techniques and promoting the whole idea of reaching out to those in need makes a big difference. And I want to thank you again. We are so very grateful to be able to do this work with your help.
Thank you, Dr. Wayne.
Good afternoon, honorable guests, Dr. Reimer, Mr. Lee, Chairman of the Art Festival Committee, and also President of the Lions Club, and also, of course, our sponsors and our friends from the media. It's my pleasure to actually say a few words on behalf of the fundraising department. With the support from our sponsors, we're not far from our target. Our goal is to accumulate $20,000 this year after all the expenses are deducted. As we promised, part of the money will go to Smart China, and the rest of the money will go to the Mandarin Arts Festival Foundation for the use in the same event next year. So once again, I'd like to thank everybody for coming, and a special thanks goes to our sponsors and also our friends from the media. I hope you will continue to support us to buy those tickets so that we'll be able to continue to support this event, and more youth will be able to develop their talent in art and also learn more about the Chinese cultures. So on behalf of the committee, please accept my sincere gratitude for your support once again. Thank you. 好多謝各位嘅來賓啦，咁Dr. Reimer 同埋李志輝先生，咁同埋各傳媒今日到嚟啦，今屆嘅籌款項上面咧，其實我哋得到各界嘅支持咧，佢離我哋嘅目標咧都唔係好遠㗎。咁撇除所有開支之後，我哋希望能夠籌得2萬蚊啦。咁將部分咧就會撥捐呢個微小中國。咁預估咧，我哋會撥入呢個漫畫藝術節嘅發展基金，作為明年藝術節嘅經費㗎。咁我哋都好多謝各位嘉賓嘅嚟臨啦，特別係我哋嘅贊助商同埋我哋傳媒嘅支持。咁希望咧大家踴躍咁去購票，咁繼續支持我哋文化藝術節，咁使到更多嘅青少年咧能夠係學習呢個藝術啦，同埋學習我哋中國文化。最後謹代表我哋文化藝術節全體工作人員致以萬分嘅謝意，多謝。
To buy tickets to the Enchantment of Jedi 2007。好啦，嗱，咁喺呢個時候啦，我哋不如請各位嘉賓啦，喺朴燕呢幾張大海報面前咧，就影翻幅大合照先啦。Now may I invite all the special guests？
可以先看我这里。好，谢谢。
喺 Lawrence 邊唔使晏晝嚟到知道文化。
哎呀，斯文呢條呔咁舊㗎，其實係我嘅，換咗條呔俾我。
有咩所謂咧？呢個我哋嘅前會長，呢個